Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, do you like football?
Oh, I love football, Nina. I support my team, I watch every match, and I cheer for every goal.
A real fan. And that's our topic today. Football. We will learn 8 easy words and phrases to talk about football, the most popular sport in the world.
Perfect. People love football everywhere. Let's start.
Simple English daily, hey, come and learn a little every day.
But first, a fun question, Alex. In a game of football, 2 teams play on the pitch. But how many players are in one football team on the pitch?
Oh, an easy one for me.
Is it A, 7, B, 11, or C, 15?
I'll say B, 11.
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
So, Nina, football is a game with 2 groups of players. We call a group
A team. Team.
team. A team is a group of players who play together. My favorite team is very good this year.
And each person in the team is a player. Player. Player.
A player is a person who plays the game. He is my favorite player. Say it with me. A player.
A player. When 2 teams play, we call it a match. Match.
Match. A match is a football game between 2 teams. The match is on Saturday. In American English, we also say game.
And where do they play? In a big stadium. Stadium.
Stadium. A stadium is the big place where people watch the match. There are 50,000 people in the stadium. Say it with me. Stadium.
Stadium. Now, in football, you use your feet. You kick the ball. Kick the ball.
Kick the ball. To kick the ball means to hit the ball with your foot. He kicks the ball very hard.
And the best moment is when you score a goal. Score a goal.
Score a goal. To score a goal means to put the ball in the net and get a point. He scores a goal. Amazing. Say it with me. Score a goal.
Score a goal. And the team with more goals will win. Win.
Win. To win means to get more goals than the other team. I think my team will win today.
I hope so. And the people who love a team are the fans. Fan.
Fan. A fan is a person who loves and supports a team. The fans are singing and cheering. I am a big fan.
A great football fan. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence about football. Then you try and tell us about your favorite football. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
My favorite team is very good.
Number 2.
The match is on Saturday.
Number 3.
He scores a goal!
Number 4.
I am a big fan. Great job! Now you can talk about football in English.
Now, the answer to our question. How many players are in one football team on the pitch? I said 11.
Yes, you're right. The answer is B, 11. Each team has 11 players on the pitch, including the goalkeeper.
Yes, 11 players, all working together as one team.
Exactly. That's why football is called a team sport. Let's say our 8 words and phrases again.
Team, a group of players.
Player, a person who plays.
Match, a game between 2 teams.
Stadium, the big place where they play.
Kick the ball, to hit the ball with your foot.
Score a goal, to get a point.
Win, to get more goals.
And fan, a person who loves a team.
Great work today! Now you can talk about football in English.
Which team do you support? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and